Okay guys, so today we'll be going to my grandma's house again in Mount Airy. We're about to leave, so I guess I'll see you there. Alright, I'm coming. Hey, see you in a while.
I'm swinging at my grandma's house, swinging at my grandma's house, swinging at my grandma's house.
She did.
I apologize for my horrible singing. I know I'm terrible.
Don't grab it. Does your mom know you do that?
Doubt it. Maybe. I don't know. You better not tell her. Okay. This is the second time I tried to do this video because Katie, she said that she couldn't break a promise, so she went to tell her mom and all. So I told her I'd delete it, because I don't want to get in trouble. So anyway, I apologize for not really having much footage for today. So far it's pretty late. What is it, like 7 o'clock probably?
Probably.
Somewhere close to there. Sorry I didn't get any pool footage, but don't flame me for it, because I got pool footage yesterday. I can't get footage if I'm in the pool. It's not an underwater camera. It's not immune to water, so that's why I was being really careful yesterday with this. Okay, well, so watch this next clip. It's gonna be awesome. Told you this next clip would be awesome. First we were swinging, now we're on the trampoline. Woo! The last time I was on this trampoline, I thought I broke my camera because Hunter tried to throw the camera in after filming me for a minute, and the screen went completely black. I thought I was screwed, so I turned it off. 5 minutes later, turned it back on. Fine. As you can tell, you know, from the way I've been using it for the past almost a month now, since the last time I was here, actually. Like, one more. Whoa, John! I can't show him because Katie will go tell her mom, but Hunter, backflip. Gotta stay out of it, Mom. Or whatever you were doing. Get out of the way, John. Nice.
Front flip.
Front flip, whatever. Whoa.
Want me to do it again?
Yeah. Nice.
I'll try to do it fast. What? I'll try to
Yeah, so, wait, me, Katie, Hunter, and John are about to go play endurance. Last time, my team, the purple team, won over the red team. Last time we played. I'm going to be the gray team. Katie and Hunter are going to be the purple team. And John's going to be the blue team. With someone else. Don't know who yet. So, did you just hear John snorting? Alright, so, see ya. Okay, Katie's not showing us the hole. We're going to be... I'm not showing you. Calm down. Where? It's
Probably a cat.
It's just under the shed. Watch out, John.
How big it is.
Probably
Probably a cat.
Not that big. Why would a cat come?
What?
Looks like a squirrel or something. Lower that into there. You guys might be able to see down there. You viewers back there.
But that goes into the shed.
No, I'm not crazy. It'll be fine, Katie. It will be fine. It's gonna be fine, right, Hunter? Say it's fine.
Yep, it's gonna be perfectly.
Yep, it'll be fine. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the most ridiculous thing ever. We were trying to play endurance, and my team, the gray team, won 2 things in a row, so they were whining it wasn't fair. So I said, okay, let's do a challenge just like a real one on the show. We were going to place bricks along certain points, like 10 bricks. I was going to offer to lower it if they thought it was too much, but she said, no, we can just do fake stuff. And the problem with doing a fake challenge is that when someone says, oh, they lost, they're going to be like, no, we didn't, and then we start fighting over it. So then she ran off, and so did John. And yeah, John's just like his. Whenever Katie gets mad at us, so will John, and they'll both run off, and it's ridiculous.
Yeah, and we were just trying to talk to John, and they're just running away.
I know.
Just like Katie. We just tried to talk to her, she just runs away.
It's ridiculous. It really is. Oh my gosh, now we're getting yelled at by her mom. This is ridiculous.
This is the worst thing ever.
You can't say it's the worst ever. Definitely not. Okay, I'll let you know what happens in a minute. Be right back. Okay, guys, so just a couple minutes after my last video, or clip, whatever, apparently we weren't in trouble. She just wanted us to come in and get a snack or something. It if we were gonna leave, because we live like an hour away from here. So yeah, we're about to head home. We weren't in trouble. Katie never told them, thank God. But we were gonna be in trouble for a second there, and so did Hunter. So yeah. I don't know what else to say. John was trying to say that we called him stupid, but we didn't. By the way, he's only 4, and Katie's only 9, if I haven't said that yet. So, anyway, I just had to shut the trampoline door. So, guess Katie's not playing, and neither is John. So John's gonna be the next off endurance. 6 teams left. Gray, purple, orange, red, yellow, green. Yeah. That's it. I know you probably don't care, just like the Survivor episode, but... So we're heading home now. So I guess this might be the last clip for tonight, except for a goodbye clip. So, I don't know if I'm going to do that. So, see ya!
Okay, while I'm eating the best ice cream ever, Breyers with Reese's, watching the best show ever, George Lucas, I might as well say goodnight, so, goodnight.